thought that they were just...
Book them, Dano. Come on, no right turn.
Do you know what I mean? Like boring. I thought they'd be a bit boring and a bit work obsessed and, you know...
Really, fellas?
Just money driven.
No right turn.
You guys have so much more on offer than that. So...
God, it's the guy from Mazda.
You fucking moron.
I went there when I was in...
Jesus Christ!
Luckily that was
Fuckwit.
Because of the efforts of Victorians, restrictions have changed. Visitors to your home are limited to 30 people a day, outdoor gatherings to 100. Fitted face masks are required inside supermarkets, large retail spaces, hospitals and care facilities, airports, public transport, taxis and rideshares. Check in when you're out.
You stupid, ignorant son of a bitch, dumb bastard! Jesus Christ, I've met some dumb bastards in my time, but you outdo them all. Get over there!
Not in the right way, you fucking bozo.
Jesus, old man. The fuck? What a fucklet!
Fuck you, asshole.
Fuckwit!
Are you? What in the fuck are you doing?
So close. Jesus.
Fuck, dude. You fucktard. Fuck me.
Oh my God. Give him a P-plate. They're professional. Motherfucker.
So are you. What the fuck? Stay back. What the fuck? It's fucking gone, dickhead! Yeah, that's I'm coming around the roundabout.
What on, you?
What the fuck?
Holy crap.
Stunning explosions of what might very well be a recoilless rifle. The yelling, roaring voices draw closer. There is the whining sound of a ricochet, the scream very close to the transmitter.
When you can't get what you want, but you can.
Fucking dickhead.
Their faces just go.
Okay, yeah, maybe you're right. Wow, that guy.
It's time for the shitbag titty fuck of the week, or maybe of the year. It's this guy.
And knowledge are all part of the problem.
You haven't seen any clinic offering it or nothing like that?
It's coming out too soon, and I don't know the research or anything about it.
Reading me a sport.
LA is starting to open up again. The newly identified strain of the virus, the California variant, is in part responsible for a surge in cases in December and January.
What's your fucking problem, mate?
Out of the way, Dopey!
Back! Back up! Back the fuck up! Now! Come on, man. Stop the goddamn cab! Don't move that shit! Get up! Come on, get up! Back up, I mean it!
Turn right onto Lockman Road.
Subway. Eat fresh. Oral Experts Group, providing caring, quality dentistry at affordable prices.
Bloody hell, mate.
But she didn't know about us.
Oh, what a dickhead. Where the fuck you going, man? Dickhead.
There's a fucking dickhead, unlicensed, unregistered. Yeah, you're on camera, buddy. What a shame my rear one wasn't working. Then here we go. What a shame the semi's not coming the other way.
At the Roslyn Packet Theatre in Walsh Bay. Experience transformation through the power of dance and music. Click or tap the banner below to buy tickets for Impermanence now.
The new Samsung Galaxy S21 series 5G is here. With its pro-grade camera, you'll never miss a moment. And with the Optus 5G phone price match guarantee, you'll get the best price guaranteed. Great value starts with yes. T&Cs apply. See website for offer details.
You fucking idiots.
My son?
Yes?
I'm not touching that with a 60-foot pole.
You just tried to cut me off.
Oh, you're totally okay. I'm on your side, mate.
I got a fucking dash cam, bro.
Yeah, no, that's okay. If he wants to drive
He's a fucking fuckwit.
If he gets out, let me know. I've got a baseball bat, alright?
Okay, no worries. No worries. He fucking is doing this fucking get past
Don't
him.
jeopardize your license. It's not worth it. He's a fuckwit. Leave it.
No, I just want to